What's up, guys? We're back working on the 69 Chevy Cummins project. Today we're doing a bit of a maintenance thing, and it makes it a little easier to do maintenance on this truck. So for those of you not familiar, this is thing got a 12 valve Cummins in it, and today we're going to be changing the fuel filter out. I'll show you over here. We got this nice billet fuel filter mount from Geno's garage, and a 94, 95, 96 style fuel filter. So this is a spin-on type filter rather than the stupid crappy cartridge system that's on the later Dodges up to I think 02. But yeah, this is a super nice kit, super affordable. It came with the sensor in the bottom, which I don't have a water and fuel sensor. I just needed the plug on the bottom. But anyways, it comes with the plug, filter, and the filter housing or filter whatever adapter here. It's supposed to bolt right up to where the stock fuel lines are in the 97, 98s, and then comes with your sealing washers, so it's super nice. I'll come over here and I'll show you. So on a stock Dodge, it's not this hard to change fuel filters, but you can see in the Chevy here, the master cylinders move forward, and the way the lines and everything are, the brake lines and such, makes it hard to get in there. So, you know, we're looking down here. Here's our fuel filter head. This thing is, the whole thing is going to get changed out. We're just going to take the lines, the banjo bolts off, hook them up to that new bracket, and then yeah, so this thing ends up being so big that I have to try and snake the filter in through here, and it becomes a major pain in the butt, especially you got this exposed filter element and the canister can't come out. Not very good design, really. It was an oversight on the brake lines. Should have maybe moved them forward or something to get them out of the way, but whatever. So yeah, that's what we're going to be changing today. This is my second or third fuel filter on this truck already, but I did end up having a problem with these 97, 98 cartridge style last winter, where I bought the Wix brand ones, and I bought 3 in a row, and they all didn't seat properly inside the filter head, and the thing would leak diesel all over the bottom of my truck. And if you know, diesel's not cheap either, so that had to be fixed. I did, I think, about 3 filters in a week. Ended up settling on the cheapy one, and it worked. And yeah, you look at it and you mic it, or you use a caliper on it, and the one gasket on the Wix was I think was 15 thou bigger, and it didn't want to seat up into the filter head. So I want to alleviate that problem, and I just want to make fuel filter changes easier. So that's why we're going ahead with this. The bracket was, I think, landed at my shop. It was like $220. It really wasn't that expensive at all. And well worth it, considering I went through like over $100 of fuel filters one week, like 4 months ago. So. Okay, now after making a nice big mess, we got the filter head assembly out. It was not really that hard, but yeah, so I'll show you over here what we're working with. So you got this stupid fuel filter. This is a cartridge style filter. And in the winter time, when I was talking about my 3 fuel filters I did in 1 week, this gasket on the Wix, and I've used Wix before in these things and I haven't had an issue, but this one, the gasket was like 15 thou bigger, and it would not seat in here. It would go down and then it would pop right back out, and then when it would pop out, it would leak around this outer ring because you're just sealing with this piece of rubber. So this thing, it's a freaking oil filter basically. So way easier, just dispose of this thing. These stupid cartridges, you see how fun that was to get that stupid cartridge thingy out. And yeah, this is a pain in the butt. So anyways, you can see the size difference here. So should fit a little better. We'll see. Okay, so we got the fuel filter installed, and it's much easier. It actually snakes no problem through here now, so that's awesome. Looks great. As great as the fuel filter is going to look. Probably the only billet part on this truck ever. And yeah, couldn't be really happier. That was the most easiest bolt-in thing. The fuel line's lined up. The only thing is they could have maybe given you sealing washers for the injector return line into that other banjo bolt. So besides that, highly recommend for the price especially. This is a must for your Cummins swap truck if it looks anything like this and it's tight and whatever. Makes it real easy, and it's cheaper than an air dog. This thing doesn't need an air dog. Doesn't really make that much power. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more on this crappy rusty truck. But see you soon.